had the nicest clothes, the biggest cars, and the more women. And I was the best wrestler.
No one has ever done it better than a Nature Boy.
Diamonds are forever, and so is Ric Flair. Woo!
Everyone kind of grew up watching this guy, bigger than life.
He could have his fantasy world of wrestling, and he could have his little family on the side until more of the fantasy took over.
Wrestling was his lady. Wrestling was his love. That was his number one love.
There's a lot of lying to himself that was going on. Richard Fleer is the real guy. The Nature Boy Ric Flair is just a myth.
You're doing so good. I live and breathe each day of my life for this business.
It was something I was really good at. Then it became a disease.